So yeah, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm washing the car because it's well needed, as it's absolutely filth. But yeah, just gonna time lapse it, get straight into it. So yeah, let's see how clean this beauty comes up. As you can see, this is the true colour. Looks mint without all the dirt on, but I think I might take it up to the top of the road and get some cinematics and the video there. So yeah, let's go. So yeah, car's all done now. You've just seen the cinematic, so this is the end of the video. If you haven't already, please drop that sub. Trying to get to 1,000. It might take a while, but it's worth it. So yeah, drop that like, comment, what do you want to see. Say this in every end of the video now, because I want to see what you guys actually want to watch and want me to do. So anything to this car, I might do. Filming other cars, anyone that you can suggest, I'm down to do. Just drop it down in the comments. Yeah, thank you for watching. Peace.